Unfortunately, we're going to have to start our trending topics on a more somber note this morning. Sadly, we have had news that, well, you might remember a month ago, Sean Paul took to social media in plea to help his dad, Garth Enriquez, who was in the ICU at the University Hospital in dire need of O-negative blood. Sad to say, but he has succumbed to his ailment and passed away on Thursday of this past week. And so our condolences as a TVJ family, and from Dwayne and myself go out to you. It's always hard to lose a parent. You never want to lose a parent. You know, you never really want to lose anybody. But
yeah, I know all too well how that feels to lose your dad. So, and especially when it doesn't get easier, even though you get older. You know, it's tough. But condolences to the family, and stay strong. On to much lighter news. We all know Angela Bassett,
yes.
actress,
yes.
Golden Globe winner, activist, Black Panther star.
Duh.
Well, now add doctor to the list. After receiving an honorary degree from Yale University at the 2018 commencement ceremony on Monday, the 59-year-old,
can't believe
listen,
that.
59-year-old is officially Dr. Angela Bassett.
Look here now. Which part is she at 59? It's lie them I tell. Which part are you at 59?
Every time I see her, I'm like, no, man.
And you know what? She doesn't look like she's done any work.
She doesn't look like it. She doesn't act like it because she's very young and vibrant. But 59 isn't really old, you know.
No, not really.
Yeah.
But she doesn't look like, I mean, come on. Black don't crack. Everybody knows that black look pretty. Landa, you're a black, my view. I can't see her picture.
Boy.
But she's so pretty.
She's gorgeous.
And mind you, she keeps fit, she eats well, she goes to the gym, she works out. And I mean...
You know who don't look their age?
Who that?
Cicely Tyson. Cicely Tyson?
Who just got her star on the Hollywood Walk of
90 plus.
Yeah, man. And still I go strong. Yeah. So till she can all bend down. Me can't even bend down and get up without help. And she good. Well, yes, what your face look so far? Mind yourself, you know. Mind yourself. All right, well, congratulations to you, Dr. Angela Bassett. It's another step for us as a people, and we're grateful. Do your thing, girl, do your thing. After the recent Morgan Freeman scandal, I don't know if you guys have heard about it. You heard about it? You heard about it?
Yeah, I miss it.
Another one, right? Another black man that they're putting in the limelight. Anyway, for a bad thing. Visa and TransLink have decided to drop the actor after 8 women accused him of inappropriate behavior and sexual harassment. Women who previously worked with the Oscar-winning actor told CNN that he repeatedly made comments about their bodies or their clothing and frequently engaged in inappropriate touching. What do you think?
It's not the first time, still, you know. But I saw a meme yesterday with Bill Cosby at the top.
It's not funny.
And Morgan Freeman. No, the meme was funny to me. It was funny to me. But it happens so often, though.
Okay.
It happens so often.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, man, ask a question.
I'm going to ask now. I'm going to be devil's advocate and ask a question. You know me.
Yeah.
That's where I get my thoughts go. How much of this is flirting, which is what we would call flirting, and how much of it crosses a line and goes to what is now sexual harassment?
I mean, there has been even reports I've read about his involvement with his step-goddaughter.
His step-goddaughter?
Yes.
Yeah, but who know about that? Who know about that except the two parties involved?
True. But other people may, as you said, take flirting.
No, I'm saying, if I come in here one morning and I say to you, no, I'm not
say it. You can't tell Mrs. Grant. Say it.
So you can't tell Mrs. Grant and get me in that trouble. All right.
I know what you mean.
If a female comes into an office and sees a male and says, wow, the pants are set nice by you, what is that?
Like my pants. It's a compliment. Well, it's a culture. It's a culture.
Hear what you just said? Hear what you just said?
Compliment.
If a man comes into our office and says, my girl, the pants are set good by you now.
Compliment.
What is that?
Compliment.
That's a compliment to you. But suppose it's that same thing him go say to somebody over there, and that becomes inappropriate speech.
But it's culture. The cultures are different. Because even I remember being in America when I was living in Texas, I compliment a girl and she's like,
get offended and she play back up.
Why are you so thirsty? I'm like, huh? I'm like, what? I said, I like your dress. She's like, you're so thirsty.
It was some water, my friend.
But you know, but a lot of these things, though, are serious issues.
Of course it's a serious issue, but we need to know what is the line. Where is the line drawn?
I need to know why.
Who draws that line?
when them almost left on them deathbed, Bill Cosby and
I feel like
Morgan Freeman has been
they've
old for
gotten
a
to
long
a
time.
point now where you reach a certain thing and then you just tear them down.
man.
Right now. I don't know what the line was, so I don't know what the things are. I don't know what exactly was done. I don't know who said what. So I can't jump on either side of the bandwagon and be like, oh, he's guilty or he's not guilty.
I always wait
because
until
I
I
don't know
get
what it is. You're right.
everything.
You need information.
Yeah, man.
You have to have all the information before you can find out.
Yeah. Somebody said the women he assaulted were like Harriet Tubman and all of them, you know. Morgan
I'm
Freeman,
not even
'cause
going to
he's
get
been-
on that with you.
He's been alive, so.
Guys,
Hey, Morgan
let's hear
Freeman
your
is old,
thoughts. Behave yourself. At Smile Jam TVJ, that's it for the trending topics this morning.